Helical piers permanently stabilize settling decks, porches, and sunrooms by transferring their weight to deep, load-bearing soil. Here's how. To access the primary load-bearing points, sections of the framing and siding were carefully removed. The soil was then excavated and leveled to create a stable base for the temporary support jacks. Once positioned and securely attached to the porch structure, the jacks were synchronized and gradually raised to safely lift and stabilize the porch, restoring it as close as possible to its original elevation before the permanent support system is installed. With the porch fully stabilized by the temporary support system, the existing posts and settled footings were carefully removed. This prepared the area for the installation of the new foundation support system while ensuring the structure remains safely supported throughout the process. Helical piers are strategically positioned beneath the structure's load-bearing points and hydraulically advanced into the ground. Helical pier extensions are mechanically coupled to the previously installed pier sections and advance deeper into the ground until the required installation torque is achieved, confirming engagement with competent, load-bearing soil. Once the helical piers have been installed to the required depth, pier caps are positioned at grade and integrated into newly poured concrete footings. These footings provide a stable, level foundation for the installation of the support posts, allowing the structure's load to be permanently transferred through the helical piers to competent, load-bearing soil below. Precise measurements were taken between the new pier footings and the porch beam to ensure each support post was accurately fabricated for a proper fit. The posts were then cut to specification, allowing for efficient load transfer and long-term structural stability. The support posts were temporarily positioned in place to verify fitment and allow for precise layout and marking of the bracket connections. Support brackets and posts were secured to the new footings and connected to the porch structure, creating a stable load path to the helical piers below. The temporary formwork for footings is removed, and the excavated areas are carefully backfilled and compacted. This restores the surrounding grade while providing proper support around the newly installed helical pier system and foundation components. With permanent support from helical piers, the porch is stable, secure, and built to last.